National Gallery for Modern Art, Bengaluru, Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, Southern Regional Center, Bangalore, Sanskriti Pratishthan, New Delhi, cordially invites you for the inauguration of exhibition From Earth to Earth, Devotion and Terracotta Offerings in Tamil Nadu, curated by Ms. Julie Wayne. I take this opportunity to invite the guests of the day, Shri Sudhakar Rao ji. I kindly request him to come on stage. Chairman, Advisory Committee, National Gallery for Modern Art, Shri H.N. Suresh, Director, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Bengaluru, Srimati Veena Joshi, Joint Secretary, IGNCA, New Delhi, and Srimati Satyabhama Badrinath, Regional Director, NGMA, Bengaluru. With your applause, please. Earth to Earth, Devotion and Terracotta Offerings in Tamil Nadu, curated and photography by Ms. Julie Wayne. Now, may I request Srimati Satyabhama Badrinath, Regional Director of NGMA Bangalore, to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, everybody. On this occasion of the inauguration of the exhibition From Earth to Earth, which has been curated by Ms. Julie Wayne, I welcome Shri Sudhakar Rao, Chairman of the Advisory Committee for NGMA, Srimati Veena Joshi, Joint Secretary with the IGNCA, New Delhi, and Shri H.N. Suresh, Director, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Bengaluru. The theme of this present exhibition is on terracottas, titled From Earth to Earth, and depicts the ritualistic cult that existed and is still existing in Tamil Nadu, in various interior parts of Tamil Nadu, which is basically known as the INR cult. This INR cult has tribal origins and also probably Buddhist leanings. And in course of time, became a part of the Brahminical cult also. But today, it is mostly followed in the interior parts of Tamil Nadu, generally in the southern half of the state. And most people, even today, believe that the INR is the person who safeguards their village. On this occasion, I extend a very warm welcome to Shri Sudhakar Rao, the Chairman of the Advisory Committee of NGMA, Srimati Veena Joshi, Joint Secretary with IGNCA Delhi, and Shri H.N. Suresh, Director, Bharati Vidya Bhavan. I welcome you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you very much for your welcome address. And now I request all the dignitaries to proceed towards the lamp and light the lamp and inaugurate the exhibition From Earth to Earth, Devotion and Terracotta Offerings in Tamil Nadu. Thank you. Thank you all guests. May I now request Srimati Veena Joshi, Joint Secretary IGNCA, to give away the mementos and the flowers to all the guests on stage. To Shri H.N. Suresh ji. To Srimati Satyabhama Badrinath. Thank you, Srimati Veena Joshi. And now I humbly request Shri Sudhakar Rao ji to hand over a bouquet of flowers to Veena Joshi madam. Thank you, Sudhakar Rao ji. May I now request Shri Sudhakar Rao, Chairman Advisory Committee, NGMA Bangalore, to give the inaugural address, please.
Ellarigu namaskara. A very good evening to all of you and a warm welcome to NGMA Bangalore. I am delighted in particular that today we have with us Srimati Veena ji, who has come all the way from Delhi, and Shri Mahesh, who of course has just walked across the road to come here. We have our 6 o'clock program, of course, has again fallen a victim to the traffic problems that Bangalore suffers from, and I think we also need to pray to INR to see that this traffic problem somehow gets sorted out. But I'm particularly delighted today that we are having this program, and I'm sure it will yield a lot of results, and that is because it has, it's in a sense the first formal collaboration that we are having with IGNCA Southern Regional Center. There have been a few events in which IGNCA has utilized the NGMA, but I think it would be correct to say that this is a first formal collaboration, and I'm hoping that this will be a precursor to many such collaborations. I don't want to get into the reasons why this collaboration could not materialize fully earlier, but when Vikram was here and we had a last meeting, we did agree that a lot of very good shows that IGNCA puts up are sort of disadvantaged by the fact that the premises that you have are quite away from the central part of the city, and that NGMA, both the auditorium and the galleries provide an excellent forum for IGNCA, and I would request you to continue to sort of, and I'm sure Mrs. Satyabhama would herself ensure that this collaboration gains in strength with time. The second point, of course, is that I was just talking to Mahesh ji and telling him that the Bharati Vidya Bhavan is just across the street here. And so the eternal problem of traffic will not bother his students too much. And maybe, you know, they could come to NGMA Bangalore on a regular basis, particularly the students of fine arts, particularly the students MBA and other students can also come, but in particular, students who are doing work on arts and culture. And he has told me that he thinks that's a good idea, and that he will work actively to ensuring that, if not for formal programs like this, at least to see the exhibitions, more and more of his students and colleagues come. So I think that itself for me is a major reason to celebrate this evening. But also, I am very thrilled that we have a wonderful exhibition of unique photographs of a uniquely Tamil phenomenon. I mean, I had heard of INR, of course, and the terracotta figurines that we see periodically from Tamil Nadu, but I had not sort of got the, what is behind it. And while familiarizing myself with the exhibition, it was just marvelous to learn how there is this close link between folk art and local beliefs, and how individual shrines decide their own time for the Ainar festival, how the local artisans are then commissioned to do various works in terracotta, how it lasts its own life and then sort of disintegrates and becomes part of the same Mother Earth that it is a part of. I must say the curator has done some phenomenal research work, and it's much to her credit that an art which actually unfortunately is slowly but steadily on the decline, as with many other rural arts, has got a fresh breath of life with an exhibition like this. And I must compliment IGNCA for having recognized the terrific potential there is to mount an exhibition of this kind. And I thank them once again for this creation. Apart from the curator, of course, who needs to be thanked for having taken up this research, thanks are also due to the Ministry of Culture for supporting this program. Satyabama and her team and the IGNCA team have worked very hard to put this exhibition together. My thanks to them too. And I hope you will enjoy the show, and that you will sort of by word of mouth get more and more people to come and see it, because it is a very unique presentation. Thank you for being here, and enjoy the evening and the exhibition thereafter.
Thank you, Sudhakarji, for your insights. I must admit and acknowledge it is Sri Sudhakar Raoji who is instrumental in bringing NGMA and IGNC SRC together and put this up. I must acknowledge his efforts behind it. Now, may I now request Sri H.N. Sureshji to give his address, please.
Eldriku Namaskara. Respected Sudhakarji, Srimati Veena Joshi, a Bhavanite. So I have a special corner in addressing her, because she grew up with Bharati Vidya Bhavan. So it's nice to see her here, but I want her stay to be more longer, to become more acquainted with Bangalore problems and pleasures we have. And Srimati Satyabhama Badrinathji, Director of NGMA, and all our good friends assembled here, though in small numbers. It doesn't matter for an art exhibition, because the exhibition itself goes for about 15 days long, and people will make it possible to see the exhibition when they find time. So for an art exhibition, you can't really expect a huge gathering, like in performing arts, like music or a dance program. But people who are concerned to be in the inaugural, possibly people who would still have some liking for some speeches, they would like to attend the inaugural session. Otherwise, they say we'll see the work of art and be done away with it. Coming to the present work, first of all, I thank you for asking me to be here this evening to be a part of the inaugural session. As you know, terracotta is a clay and a mud art form, is perhaps one of the earliest expressions of the human creativity. In India, its antiquity goes back about 10,000 years, with the oldest excavation of terracotta artifacts and utility items found in the Haryana from the pre-Harappan sites of the Indus Valley civilization. Terracotta is not merely a representative of a beautiful artistry, it embodies the entire philosophy of the ancient Hindu mind, holding the mystic and the auspiciousness that is as a true even today. The 5 elements of water, air, earth, fire, and either the comprising of the Panchabhutas are used in making the terracotta figures, making it both symbolic and representative of the ancient Indian philosophy, which is believed that these five elements make up the fundamental constitutions of the universe. The entire world of the humans, to the animals, plants, and even the thoughts and emotions are composed in these elements, and any imbalance in them result in stress and violence. From the dust we come, and to dust we go, is a lofty yet simple message conveyed by the terracotta figures. Terracotta thus continues to be the integral part of the Indian art, culture, and heritage.